This is fit for a 2018 and beyond Audi Q5 with factory installed flush side rails. We've outfitted this vehicle with the Thule AeroBlade Edge base roof rack system. The system is using the AeroBlade load bars with integrated feet. This is part number 7603. The usable bar space between the feet on the front load bar is 36 inches. The feet connect to the flush side rails using vehicle-specific Fit Kit, part number KIT 4078. That includes the rubberized metal brackets and the rubber base pads. Here we have the crossbars positioned at 27.5 inches from front to rear, center to center. This rear bar and leg kit is part number 7603. It has usable bar space of 34 inches between the feet. Maximum carrying capacity is 165 pounds, evenly distributed. There is no interference with the full operation of the sunroof. This product and the full line of Thule products are available at rackoutfitters.com. Please visit our website for complete details, our pricing, and our promotions.